Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set Perplexity AI as a default search engine in Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so from here, open up Google Chrome and then click on the three dots on the top right hand corner of the page. From here, click into settings. Now on the left hand side, we've got these different tabs. Click on the one that says search engine, and then it will say search engine. The search engine that you choose will be used for features such as searching from the address bar and from images on web pages. So at the moment mine is set to Google. So below that we can go ahead and click on manage search engines and site search, or click on change. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on change, and as you can see we've only got 5 options here. So, and it doesn't have the option for Perplexity AI. So go ahead and click on cancel, click on manage search engines. Then from here scroll down, and now where it says site search, it will say to search a specific site or part of Chrome, type its shortcut in the address bar followed by your preferred keyboard shortcut. So from here click add, and now name this Perplexity AI. Then from here where it says URL, so go ahead and paste in Perplexity AI, and also give this a shortcut. So I might just put in PX and then click add. Then you can see here we have added it. So from here we want to click on the 3 dots. Now if we come back and click into Perplexity AI, click on the 3 dots, it's where it says make default, it is grayed out. So we need to go ahead and change that. So click on the pencil icon, and then where it says you're with %s in place of query, we need to paste this in. So I'll go ahead and leave this query in the description below. Then go ahead and click on save. Now if I click on the 3 dots again, it will say make default, and that's what we want. So if I go ahead and do a search here, so if I type in how cool is Australia, and then hit enter, and then we're going to be taken over to Perplexity AI to do that search. So every time you do a search in a tab here, it's going to be taken to Perplexity search results.